Let's begin with installation. You have a number of different paths here, depending on which system you're using. For Mac users, you can install through Homebrew, or you can download and install a standalone .pkg package from the ggshield release page. This package does not require installing Python, but it does require you to manually download new versions. Linux users can install using deb and rpm packages, which are available on Cloudsmith. Windows users can install ggshield via the Chocolatey Package Manager, or through a standalone .zip archive from the ggshield release page. This archive does not require installing Python, but you do have to manually download new versions. GitGuardian also offers a pre-built Docker image if you prefer working in containerized environments. But the most common way to install ggshield, both locally and in CI environments, is with pipx. Pipx installs ggshield in an isolated environment. You can install it with the command pipx install ggshield. That's all it takes, and you'll have the latest version ready to use. Once it's installed, confirm it's available by running ggshield --version. You should see the current version number. If you do, you're ready to move ahead.